Yo, what's up everybody? I'm in Poznań International Airport. Yes, Poznań have an airport and today I actually want to show you a little bit. This is the arrival zone. Poznań Airport is not like a big airport like in Berlin or in Warsaw. However, you can come from Warsaw, from Berlin, or even from Dubai directly here to Poznań, and it's actually cozy, nice little airport. Very close to the city center because only approximately 6 kilometers. It's a little bit windy, little bit of snow, so that's cool. TheMonkeys hotel is on the other side, TheMonkeys by Marriott group. And overall this is the area of the airport. Gonna get inside and gonna show you a little bit what's going on. As you see, przyloty, arrivals, and let's get inside what's going on. And that's the arrivals zone, and that's the flights what actually are on the list today. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's from a lot of airports in Germany, in Belgium, in Copenhagen, Denmark, Amsterdam, Frankfurt, London, and many more. So pretty easily you can come from any major airport in Poland and from many major airports in Europe, but also from the Dubai perhaps. So it's pretty easy. Who knows, maybe one day I will see you over here. On the list over here you can see departures, actually the list: London, Oslo, London, Warsaw, Venice, Liverpool, Marsa Alam. Actually I don't know where is the Marsa Alam, sounds Arabic. Mediolan, Amsterdam, Copenhagen, Krakow, Warsaw, Frankfurt, London, Charleroi, I think it's Belgium, and London. It's pretty small airport, so at least there is not much lines for the departures, about 20 flights a day, but convenient enough. And also, as I said, this is international airport. Like I said, for example, you can fly directly to Dubai, prosto z Poznania, which means fly to Dubai directly from Poznań, fly Dubai. That's the lot also. And then there will be departure, actually the gates. That's the departure gate. Quite a lot of people fly here in the business between the cities. So a lot of people just going with the hand luggage. They don't need to check in the luggage. That's why here is a little bit busier. Yeah, it's quite busy actually here. And also after that, regular airport stuff. Technically, as you can see, it's pretty small, cozy airport, but you can get into major destinations in Europe without any problems. And of course, going to Dubai. So you can even come from any part of the world. If you fly to Dubai, you can come here to Poznań directly. If not, just to Berlin or to Warsaw. And you never know, because maybe literally one day I will see you here, because my new company will also provide a meet and greet pickup service from the airport. So if you're gonna come and you're gonna book my service, of course, and you're gonna contact me as you are coming, I will do my best to pick you up and greet you here at the airport, here or in Warsaw or in Berlin or in Krakow or any other airport in Poland, even in Germany and in Czech Republic, myself personally. So let me know. And now this is the airport. This is just pretty quiet actually, which is really cool, but at the same time it's just simply small, cozy airport. There is the TheMonkeys hotel, just in case if you would like to sleep somewhere nearby the airport, then you can walk. And this is also the kiss and fly zone and parking lot. So actually everything is here. The guy was shouting something from the car. I think he said Polska. and this is it. A little bit of the snow finally, eventually here in Poland, but only like 2 centimeters, but still 0 degrees, so a little bit warmer today. That's the cars from the rental Europe car. For some reason they have a Dacia. Dacia is not the best company of the cars. However, they have other ones. Sixth and Hertz. Sixth have a BMs, for example, premium, nice. A lot of car companies also here. Rental. Oh, there is the plane in the background. Here we go. And then there's the kiss and fly lot, actually more sixth cars, AVs, everything is here basically technically, so you don't need to worry about that. And there's also McDonald's at the front of us, where I'm heading right now to warm up myself. And this is also kiss and fly zone. It's just in case if you're gonna take a Uber or Grab, there's no Grab here, Uber or Bolt or something, and they can drop you here or just directly next to the terminal. That's the only fee is different a little bit. Actually, about the car rental, there's a lot. There's Hertz, the Yellow Signs, the Otkry Auto. This is where I'm renting my car. and a lot of many more. So technically, if you wanna get out from the airport, you can use the public transport. Will be bus here. There is no train or tram because it's still not in the city center, and there is not that busy as they don't need to have a trains here. Then you can use, of course, the taxi service. You can use the private companies to pick you up, like for example my new company, what I'm gonna start very shortly. Also, of course, you can take a taxi, airport taxi, or order the Uber, or rent the car, hire the car, or you can walk, because technically you could also walk. If you like to walk for a few kilometers, you can walk, but you can walk actually next to McDonald's, where I'm actually going now, just over there, and wait for something or somebody there, or have a lunch. So technically there is the airport, right? Airport parking lots, car rental parkings and everything. Then there will be BP petrol station. You can also wash your car. Petrol station with the current prices actually of the gas in Poland. Maybe you're interested. Looks like this one, diesel, and other one is petrol. And McDonald's, and after that there is the way to the city. So as you can see, not much traffic jam obviously, and it's beginning of the rush hours actually, so quite a lot of taxis going with the people because they will fly off. It's the beginning of the weekend actually, it's Friday afternoon around 3:30 p.m. Shop, and then you can technically, if you have a hotel somewhere into that direction, you could walk because there is just the residential areas everywhere, some supermarkets. There is mall actually, but it's behind the traffic junction, so it's the first mall even there. So, or you can take the electric scooter like this one. Of course, this is the option for the budget visitors and everything, but well, everything is possible. And there's McDonald's, of course. Every McDonald's in Poland have a park where you could sit outdoors. However, I think in winter it's just simply not the best idea, right? But inside, for sure. Oh, here we go. Somebody actually came here with the luggage from the airport, so I was totally right. There's nothing wrong with it. And that's just the McDonald's. So pretty short video today. Wanted to show you and let you know is the airport. There is airport in Poznań. Poznań is 5th biggest city in Poland, so everything is actually here. And if you're curious more about my company, in next upcoming days, I'm gonna let you know. I'm still waiting for picking up my company car. So that's a lot of exciting things coming up shortly, soon, I hope so. For now, that's it. I'm gonna get inside, get some grab hot coffee, warm up myself, call Winnie before she's gonna go sleep, because she's going to sleep around 2-3 p.m. local time here in Poland. And of course, I'll see you on next video. As always, see ya, take care guys.